Act has a transit bail provision, provided I have a residence there.
The transit bail is not because of the reason that you have filed the false or fabricated documents.
No, that's again we are going. We are again will go to the circle.
Like this.
The force. Therefore, today is Friday. I am filing on Monday. Your Lordship can't protect me till Tuesday. Am I a hardened criminal or terrorist, fellas? Kindly consider this. Kindly consider this. Just because I have displeased the Chief Minister is no reason to send 100 people to Nizamuddin.
So please, what we are saying, you go and file a petition before the Guwahati High Court.
Yes.
You can come to Delhi High Court also. First, you are saying that on the basis of misleading the court, they have taken an order.
Yes.
No. Suppose the Supreme Court is closed for 10 days.
Yes.
What happens? Suppose a petition is to be filed. What happens? We file it. We say to the registry, ask with the Chief Justice.
So
it will be taken up and appoint a judge, and the judge
then the
judge
transit bail provisions would be nugatory. In the Act has a transit bail provision, provided I have a residence there.
The transit bail is not because of the reason that you have filed the false or fabricated documents.
No, that's again we are going. We are again will go to the circle.
Like this.
The force.
Go make a request with the
at
Chief
the end of
whatever you are making here.
First come to 25.
Can we ask a different?
No, but kindly come to first.
This application you have mentioned here at 12:50.
Yes.
And it is filed on 11:40, 1:40. What's the permissible thing, sir? We have inquired this also. We can see from the
before 12:40. They filed it before, but these can't be.
No, sir.
They filed it before 12:40, Malas. With respect, Malas, they filed at 9 a.m. Malas. I don't know which your registry is telling your lordship all this, Malas. In a liberty matter, my learned friend is standing here. He filed at 9 a.m. He filed at 9 a.m. Malas. This can't be ground for denying it.
So you go in a proper court. I saying nothing more.
Malas, I cannot. Therefore, Malas, I cannot answer except one point at a time. Except one point at a time. Allow me my right to at least answer. Yeah, therefore, very well, Malas. Kindly come. Before I answer one point, we are going to another point. With greater respect.
Certainly.
Your Lordship raised the 9:11 a.m. point. It was filed at 9 o'clock. That's answer to one point. Now let's come to 24. Come to Malas 25.
Evening में 1:40 पे filing हुई है.
Well, I mentioned it, Your Lordship are rising. This can't be a ground for not hearing this matter on the minutes.
We are saying of this.
Yes.
But we are saying a conduct. You are saying no, we are fair. We are saying no, it is not.
You should check that out. I apologize if it was filed.
Leave this point.
Leave this point. Leave this. Now come to 25.
Yes, sir.
I don't know when you filed what here.
Page 25 application.
Yes. The man is only trying under Constitution bench CBR to seek anticipatory bail. And you are pursuing like a hound.
Go there,
It's 25. I am going there.
E-filing is there everywhere.
Malas, I am going there.
Not a time.
I am not going anywhere.
You can go for a virtual hearing also.
Are you sure again? E-filing is not in Guwahati, the next instruction.
All right, go and file there.
So I am filing.
You will get.
Today is Friday. I am filing on Monday. Your Lordship can't protect me till Tuesday. Am I a hardened criminal or terrorist, fellas? Kindly consider this. Kindly consider this.
Why on the basis of the order which we have passed?
Yes.
What is wrong in that order? Please tell us. So therefore we should.
What is wrong in that order is that your Lordships were misled by suppression. Your Lordship are not told page 24. Please come to 24. Let me show why your Lordship were misled. Page 25. Your Lordships were misled on suppressio vera and suggestion falsi. Please keep quiet. 25. I made a small error of filing the wrong document and I am being penalized for that.
Small error? That is the base of your document?
Yes.
How you can say small error?
But Malas, in the same day, in the same hearing, if I give the right copy to the judge and the judge accepts it in the presence of the other side.
We can understand. First you are saying that on the basis of misleading the court, they have taken an order.
Yes.
No.
They have, Malas.
No at all.
But, so therefore, allow me to show.
The order,
So allow me to show that, Malas.
Yeah, I argued all points,
It is
not
taken
only this point.
on the basis of misleading your Lordships.
Wait of your turn, please.
It is, Malas, asked for on the basis of misleading your Lordships. I repeat. Why? Come to 25.
25, you make your averments, whatever you want.
No, Malas, I am showing what your Lordship was misled on. 25 was handed over in the presence of the AG in the court. It was not given to your Lordships. Come to this verse 25. Kota Nilima, right side. So-and-so, Howd Road, Banjara Hills, Hyderabad, Telangana.
Yes.
This is handed over. Yes. Now turn the page. 26. An affidavit. This is filed later. No doubt. It is, Malas, to be filed in the assembly. It is not the affidavit filed now. It is the assembly which is required to be filed, Malas, in the elections. Gives the complete details of her, Malas, accounts and of her residence. These are all given to the judge in the court hearing, apologizing for the mix-up in the pleading. And the AG receives the copy, the judge receives the copy. And the should have been produced and told to your lordships in fairness, was produced in the High Court and the AG received it. That's why notice was essential. Your lordships were persuaded to grant an ex parte stay as if it's a forgery. The error was pointed out in the court. It was not any, well, it requires mens rea to do a forgery. Before the matter started, I pointed it out and we gave this document. The AG was opposing me. Where is the question? He did not find it out, Malas. Now this should have been given to your lordships. Then Malas come to 25, 26. Now come to Malas application para 18. This is what your lordship said in identical case Priya Indodia. And Malas, what is that? I'm asking for protection till Tuesday on a continuation of transit bail, which will expire today.
You go and file there. Court will take.
I am repeatedly saying I'm going there, Malas. I'm going there.
Court asks, the court will grant you the permission. If the court is not granting the permission, we are here.
But Malas, we are here is not
Why
so
we should
easy.
now interfere
Malas,
after passing
just
this order?
because I have displeased the chief minister is no reason to send 100 people to Nizamuddin.
You please, what we are saying, you go and file a petition before the Guwahati High Court.
Yes.
You can come to Delhi High Court also.
Yeah.
Because you have shown your address of Delhi.
Yes.
Or but you visited there.
I have got a wife living in a matrimonial home in Hyderabad.
It's not the
I've given
pleading.
affidavit.
It's not the pleading.
It's not a false thing. Now come to the pleading, Malas. Come to my pleading advice
We request
102.
you, without going to any other thing, you go and file a petition there.
I'm filing there. I'm agreeing, Malas. I'm bowing down.
Whatever you are doing, you go and file a petition. Court will take up. If the court is not taking up,
I am
we'll
filing
demand
on Monday, Malas. I'm filing on Monday.
Monday. It will be taken up tomorrow. Even the judge will say,
I wish courts function at Malas' request so easily. Malas.
why not?
Your lordship.
Always, it
Order-
happens
Why is he
always.
showing this? He's asking to file tomorrow.
It always happens. Go and file there.
Let's do one thing, Malas. Let me do one thing. Your lordship adjourn it to Monday or Tuesday. I'll file it tomorrow. Please adjourn it.
Why file tomorrow, sir? You go and file there.
Malas,
Today.
it's closed.
It
This
will be
is.
taken up
I
today.
don't understand, Malas. This is closed. This is the calendar.
Singhvi,
It's closed.
sir, please. Every day these petitions comes before us. We take it, accept it for registry.
I'm asking
and
one
we
question.
list before the judge.
I'm asking one
Okay,
question.
bench.
I'm asking one question to myself. I don't understand why.
I'm not
Malas,
going to interfere in
we
our-
have no. Your lordship has to interfere. Your lordship has to permit me to file whether today or
Go and
tomorrow.
file, sir. We are not denying of anything. Go there and file.
But I'm pointing out the
Why
court
you
is
are not
closed
filing yesterday? Why you have not filed there?
because the court is
This
closed.
order was.
Sessions court is working.
Simple answer.
Just very simple things. 15/4/26. This order was passed
Yes.
by us. All right. You filed this application on 17/4.
I mentioned it in 16 yesterday.
Why you have not filed there in the High Court?
Well, your lordship's order will bind the High Court. Your
you-
lordship has given observations. Your lordship has said fabrication. How can the High Court decide anything after your lordship's observations?
We can
If I
say-
don't come to your lordships again, where do I go?
We can say you go and file today.
Yes.
It will be taken up as far as possible.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
That is all.
And Manas, uninfluenced by your lordship's findings. That's why no court can
We
hear
are
it.
not influenced. This will not be influenced. We already said in the first order itself.
Para 5, yes.
This will not be influenced.
Yes.
In the
Will you
meantime,
please stop
operation
now?
of the impugned order shall remain stayed.
Will you please stop?
Anticipatory bail before having jurisdiction to Assam. And while deciding such application, the order passed today by this court staying order of transit bail would not have any adverse inference to court.
Yes.
The order passed today by this court staying order of transit bail. Why do you instruct me without reading anything?
This is the problem.
Your lordship is very clear in the last paragraph. Your lordship is because I am worried about the last paragraph, para 3.
All right, we'll say, nothing doing. You go there.
You just want to speak for the sake of speaking.
Like, if some issue comes,
So your lordship, Malas, two things. Let me just summarize. I go there, your lordship makes
we
an
are passing the
observation.
order in front of you, sir.
No, but I don't want to
You can say,
interrupt. No, but I don't like to
in between,
interrupt.
sir.
No, but I'm last person to interrupt your lordships. I'm saying two things. One, please elaborate your last sentence of the order. Justice Maheshwari has told me last sentence of the, please see the last sentence of
Yes.
Justice Maheshwari's order. Just for us make that
Transit
reiterate,
bail would not have
reiterate it.
any adverse inference to court.
So just reiterate it and
Yes.
tell the court to take it up. That's all, Malas, because in para 3, my lord has used the word fabricated.
Sir, this was already
Very
there.
well.
We were
Very-
aware of
very
this
well,
fact.
Malas.
Suppose we passes an order, the court may influence.
Malas, I am
that, but we
concerned
do not
about
want
the
to grant the
liberty
bail.
should not die at the hands of a technical
We
trap.
also-
That's
we
all.
also
Technical
on that
trap.
point, we can be with you, but not for this reason, sir.
Very well.
Understand?
Very well.
Again, after order on again. Can we dispose of this then?
Yes.
Again.
Only that observation I am concerned about. but nothing
Matter
else.
has been mistake today and mention being made by Learned Counsel for the responsibility by filing IA number
Made the problem by filing erroneously.
after hearing Learned Counsel appearing for the parties by the consent we propose to dispose of the matter with an observation. The respondent is at liberty to apply before the High Court immediately.
Before the competent court, because my case is Sessions Court is working and it's a concurrent finding.
I am
He
going to the High
can't say
Court.
that I am a big man and I'll go
Yes,
early to the
yes.
High Court.
You are big even in
You go and
Gujarat
do
and
the-
Delhi. What about the Sessions Court in Assam?
You gave an objection, sir. Please, for that
Yes,
purpose.
I'll raise that objection. That's
You can go, sir.
I am
Yes,
going to,
yes,
I thought
yes,
I would be advised by my
I'm
learned friend where to go.
satisfied with that.
Mehta sir, it can directly be gone also.
I thought for 100 years we had
It's a concurrent, yes.
I thought for 100 years we had concurrent jurisdiction about bails. Mr. Raju is standing next to you.
No, we are aware, but there are judgments that you have to.
With all due respect, then can I tell you, kindly see the order, para 15. We have said everything is clear, para 5. In the meantime, operation of the impugned order shall remain state. We make it clear that in case the respondent applies for anticipatory bail before the court having jurisdiction in Assam.
Yes,
And while deciding such application, the order passed today by this court staying operation transit bail would not have any adverse influence to court.
Very well, my learned friend interpreted
sessions
that
court is
unnecessary.
functioning till.
Your lordship,
Court or anything.
anyway, well, I have apprehension of being arrested by Monday. Therefore, let it be heard today, tomorrow, no problem. Let's finish it up.
You can go and make a request.
Very well, I'll make it today. I'll make it today.
Otherwise, make a request. The Chief Justice will do the.
I'll trouble them today.
Every day need not to, for everything should come. Singhvi sir, please.
I didn't come, my learned friend came
Likhiye.
and asked for an ex parte stay. I never came here.
Because you went to Telangana, therefore I have to come
I
to
never
Delhi.
came.
It's cool now.
Yes,
Please.
yes. I am not angry, madam.
Likhiye. Yeah, likhiye.
We propose to dispose
Okay, I-
It's okay,
parties and on provision of our order, in particular paragraph 5, which is as under. From the above, it is clear. The operation of the impugned order of transit bail was stayed. Liberty to the respondent to apply seeking anticipatory bail before the court having jurisdiction in Assam. We further make it clear that the court who is deciding the application shall not be influenced adversely.
Here you want something more. I want something more.
The order is staying the transit bail. Full stop. Meaning thereby, it is clear that when an application seeking anticipatory bail is filed by the respondent before the competent court, such court shall not in any way influence by
Very deeply obliged. That is more than enough.
order of staying the transit bail. Full stop. And
And also grant of transit bail, because their court has recorded findings.
No, court has said.
Court has
categorically-
said that there is a serious apprehension, prima facie case, etc.
Court has
And
said that I'm
uninfluenced
giving
by the
7
order impugned in this
7 days.
SLP, yes.
Court has said only for 7 days I am giving you.
bail is filed by the respondent before the competent court, such court shall not be in any way influenced by the order of stay.
by order of granting transit bail or
Very well.
staying the
Or stay by this honorable.
the said transit bail by this court.
Not sitting.
Full stop. Meaning thereby, the court ought to have decided the application on the basis of the material placed and its own merit.
Yes.
Full stop. In view of the above, the respondent is at liberty to apply immediately before the court concerned, who may take up the matter. Full stop. In case the court is not functioning, a request may be made to take up the matter, which may be considered in accordance with law.
Very well. Deeply
In
obliged.
accordance with prevailing practice.
Please.
Prevailing practice. With the aforesaid observation, the agent self-esteem.
Very deeply obliged.
Yes.
We will get an order after lunch.
Yes, but I am not responding to, otherwise I have an answer to each and every false assertion. But I am not, my lord, it's over.
Not going to.
Yes, I am.
That day also, we have made it clear to Mr. Singhvi what is the reason with us.
Very well. Now, Lordship is.
I had shown page 102 that I can have 10 houses at 10 places, my lord. Please, sir.
Please, we are not interested in all this. Sir.
Please, sir.
Save your energy both.